In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this free game. If you haven't downloaded already, click on the link below in the description. You will find the PDF download link button here. Once here, either print straight to card or download for later. Once you have printed it all out, you should have something like this. For this video I used matte card at a thickness of 170 GSM. I do recommend a thickness of 200 GSM. Please note that with this version I have done borderless for the print settings. If your printer does not support borderless printing, you can scale down the artwork in your settings. Just make sure when printing you keep all settings the same for all sheets. The tools needed for this activity are some scissors, a glue stick and a ruler. Using the scissors, follow the cutting arrows and cut in straight lines. I find cutting them this way faster. This took roughly 4.5 minutes. And now 19 more playing card sheets to go. If you have a paper trimmer, it will make cutting a little easier. And here we have all 200 cards ready to play. And now for the box. The box is in two parts, the top part and the bottom part. I'm going to start with the bottom part. With the scissors, start cutting round the solid line. To get a straighter crease, I use a ruler to crease along the dotted lines. I do it this way in order to show the crease lines on the other side. After flipping over the card, now fold the right way using the already creased folds. Glue the first 2 glue tabs, glue 1. And then line up the tab folds to the bottom edges. Then glue the 4 glue tabs, glue 2, and line up the sides and press firmly to make sure they stick. Whoops, almost forgot. And now to put in the cards. The lifted tabs inside the box are to show and separate the words cards from the cats and dogs cards. And there we have it. With having all printed to the same settings, all playing cards should fit into the box. And now for the top part. Using these scissors again, cut around the solid line. Just like before, fold along the dotted lines using the ruler. Turn the card over and fold the right way. Then glue in the glue tabs one at a time. Here I am matching up the sides while pressing firmly down on the glued areas. And now we have one finished top. Now for the rules. Take your scissors and cut down the line in the centre. And now you have a small poster and rules. For the rules to fit into the box, fold like a letter into thirds. Then rotate 90 degrees and fold down the centre. One set of rules ready to take out of the box any time. Now for the table card layout. For starters, fold in half. Then fold back a quarter. And then fold another quarter. Turn 90 degrees and fold a third of the way in. Last of all, fold the other side a third of the way in too. Now you should have something like this. Carefully fold back up and place under the rules. Next slip on the top part of the box. Here we have one finished game boxed with poster. Thanks for watching this video. The how to play this game will be in the next video.